Hi students, today let's learn about the parts of the heart. Heart is a pear-shaped structure, triangular in outline, wider at the anterior end and narrow at the posterior end. The heart is covered by two layers of membranes called as pericardial membranes. The space between the two layers is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from shocks. The heart is divided into four parts externally by grooves. The upper two parts, or that means upper anterior ones, are called as auricles or atria. The lower two ones are called as ventricles. The blood vessels found in the walls of the heart are called as coronary vessels, which supply blood to the muscles of the heart. The blood vessels found in the walls of the heart are called as coronary vessels, which supply blood to the muscles of the heart. The four chambers present in the heart are left atria, that is left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and the right ventricle. We can see here the upper side, that is anterior region, the two auricles are present. They are blood receiving chambers. And the down, that is posterior ones, we call that as ventricles. They are blood pumping chambers. The walls of the ventricles are thicker than the auricles, that is thicker than the atria, because they do a lot of work. They have to pump the blood to the various organs, hence they need more pressure. The vein that is present above, it is called as superior vena cava. The vein that is situated above, we call this vein as superior vena cava. And the vein which is below to this part, we call this as inferior vena cava. The vein that is below here, we call this as inferior vena cava. The wall present on the right auricular ventricular septum between the right atrium and the right ventricle, you call this as tricuspid. The wall present on the right auricular ventricular septum between the right auricle and the right ventricle is called as tricuspid wall. The wall present on the left auricular ventricular septum between the left atrium and the left ventricle is called as bicuspid wall. The artery, this is called as left pulmonary artery. The wall near to the left pulmonary artery is semilunar wall. The largest artery present in the heart, that is in the anterior region of the heart, is called as aorta. Aorta, it carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart into the systemic circulation. Arteries are rigid because they carry oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery. These are the arteries that goes to the head, the arteries that goes to the left arm. This is called as right pulmonary artery. The wall present on the right auricular ventricular septum between the right atrium or the right ventricle called as tricuspid wall. The wall present on the left auriculoventricular septum between the left atrium and left ventricle is called as bicuspid wall or mitral wall.